couldn't miss. I think the only shot he missed was a heat check, and that's from far out. So he did a good job. Jeremy made some big shots. Guys just played well, especially in that second half. I think in the first half they scored probably 60-something points. So it's the second half in that third quarter. We held up for 17 and we scored 44. And that was a game right there.
Can you talk a little bit about the run that you guys have coming up here? Big games play up on.
Big challenge for us. Play Dallas again, obviously. It's going to be tough to beat a team back-to-back 2 times in a row. And then at Golden State, it's going to be basically a playoff game for us. And then at Phoenix. So it's a matter of us taking one game at a time, and every game counts now.
Chemistry's coming together with some of you guys.
It's going good. Thomas played well tonight. Both rebounded the basketball, scored. Francisco got in there, a couple of big threes. So just trying to incorporate that as we get more practice in games.
Coach keeps saying that your defense is going to carry you guys in that playoff spot. How did you feel about the defense tonight?
It's correct. If we could score the basketball, I think we're second in the league in scoring. It might be first. But if we don't get any stops on the defensive end, then we can't get out in transition. It's our strength. So it's going to carry us, and it has to in order for us to make the playoffs.
James.